Hello, welcome back for lesson number 26. I put a title called again. Yes, we have repeat and now we again do another island on the Superman logo. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and then continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result on the previous lesson. We will copy the operation by right mouse click copy, and then paste on the operation. Remove the profile on the previous operation, and then we're going to add a new profile. We will create profile and then click OK. With that, we select 4 of the curves that on the display. We will click OK, and then we're going to select outside, then click OK. We right mouse click to select edit to update the parameter. We will remove the starting point, let the system to generate a point so that we can use the point for drilling operation. Select the color, calculate, and then looks good on the two path generated. We will do a verify. You can see that Z minus 14.5 is generated after we set the G54 frame. Click OK. And click OK again. Let us do a solid verify. Looks good, nothing wrong. We're going to do the analysis and it's beautiful too. With that, we save the file and let me show you the step-by-step how to complete the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step-by-step how to accomplish the task. We will double click, collapse it on the previous lesson. We can copy and then we paste the operation. With that, we remove the profile and we're going to add a new one. Okay, we say we're going to create profile and then click OK. We will move the part so that easier for us to pick. Zoom in. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Click OK. We want to select outside. OK. And we're going to set the parameter by right mouse click on the edit. Path setting. Remove this. And we're going to select the color. Select this one. Calculate. And it looks good. Let us do a verify. Change the frame to G54. Drag along the way. You can see the depth is Z minus 14.5. Looks good. OK. Let us OK. And we're gonna do a solid verify. We start. Looks good. Option. Analysis. Visual. Let us zoom in and take a look. Everything seems okay. No problem. And we can close this one. Close. We save the file for the next operation. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something out of it. I see you at the next lesson. Bye bye.